In this video, I will show you how to add friends in Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's actually two ways you can add friends in Discord. The first way is if you actually come across to a server that your friend is a part of, and once you're in the server, if you come up to the top and click onto this icon which says show member list, what you need to do is find them in the member list. So let's take this person for example, and if you actually click onto their name here, you're going to get this small pop-up window. From here, come up to the top and you're going to see a icon which says add friend. So what you can do is simply give that a click, and that's going to send a friend request by email which you'll need to accept, and then they'll be added as a friend in Discord. Now, the second way to do this is you can do this via their username. So to locate their username, what they need to do is come down to their profile in the bottom left hand corner, give that a click, and they're going to find their username there. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is come to your messaging. So if you come up to the top left hand corner of Discord, click on direct messages to be taken to this screen. And from here, if you look at the top, you can see we got a button which says add friends. Give that a click. That's going to open up a window like this. And as you can see, you can add friends with their Discord username. So what you would do is enter their username into here. So let's take this same friend as an example. And then you would click the send friend request button. As you can see, it says success, your friend request has been sent. And again, all they need to do is log into their email and accept your friend request to be added as a friend in Discord. So that's how to add friends in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.